Okay, so I'm gonna get started on property tours and making the property tour videos and editing them in Canva. So I use my phone for every single video that I make. I don't have a big fancy camera or anything like that. I use my phone. I go to the houses and usually I will use my ring light and I'll hold it so it's a little bit more steady. I also have, it must be in my car. Oh no, it's right here. I have one of these things that I do my property tours with. Um, and it opens up and it automatically moves my phone so you're not walking around like this for a property tour. So I put it on here. It's kind of far enough away that I can get myself in the picture and I can do my front talking part in front of the house. So that's where this is a video that I just recently did that I'm going to share and kind of show you exactly how I made it. But this is the type of view that I'm talking about where I'm in front of the camera and I have it like I'm literally holding it on my ring light. And I'm talking and I'm just saying, hey, Heather Knox here, your San Antonio realtor. I'm here at the Toll Brothers house, blah, blah, blah about it. And then let's go inside and check it out. And then I literally just take my camera, turn it around either on this or on my ring light and go and I record the house. So you don't need anything fancy. Shannon, I'll send you the brand. It's something with a Z. It's literally from Amazon. I buy everything from Amazon. I have this. I have a big podium ring light. I have a light in front of me right now. I just go on Amazon. It was like 15 bucks for this thing. Not even expensive. So that's where you don't have to go have all of this, big crazy thing to just record these videos. And if anyone saw my post I just posted a little bit ago on Facebook, I'm walking to the grocery store last night from this exact video I'm going to show you guys. And that now client, reached out to me and said, I'm interested in this house of this video from my YouTube. And she sent me probably three different YouTube videos of mine interested in those houses. So she got into my YouTube video from, probably a search and then saw that video, saw a couple other videos, and then, messaged me because in my description, I have, my phone number, my email, my all of that information. So she sees it. So we're going to get into the actual like editing part of Canva so you guys can see exactly what is happening. So I'm going to show you the video first, and then I'm going to break it down so you guys can see what it is I made and then how I made it. Any questions? Where we're going? Okay. I can only see 6 of you, so I don't know where everyone else is at. There they are. Okay. So let me know if you can hear it and everything.
I don't hear any sound, but I can see the video playing.
You don't hear sound?
No.
How do I make it have sound over here? Son of a biatch. I don't know if I can do it with sound for you guys. It's literally just music playing.
No big deal.
Okay, but I want it to. Let me see if I can do this. The words are going to be off, but I can do it on my phone. So that's also a thing with Canva Pro. I'm not sure if the other one is, but I can literally use Canva right here on my phone as well. So this is just what the music sounds like this. Let's play. Yeah. Nothing like crazy, just like something a little climatic where it kind of hits here and there. And then
everyone, Heather Knott here. I am your San Antonio Hill Country Realtor. Today I am out at Kinder Ranch at the Toll Brothers model home. This home is 3-car garage. It can be all the way up to 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms if you want it, around 3,800 square feet. There are 3 of this actual model home that should be done around April time, so look out for those. But let's go inside and check out this one and see what it's all about.
So right there, see where I added in, took out my video. This is going to be an important part, so make sure we go back to, I'm going to show you how to do all these little edits. So I just took someone going through the process of, you know, looking for a home. They see this beautiful home, they see me, but they know nothing about the area. They might not even have driven to the area yet. So now they can clearly see here that I'm showing them San Antonio, Canyon Lake, New Braunfels, Bernie's over here to the left. Like they can clearly see where the house is at. So if you're just going to show them a house and show them a pretty house, and there's lots of pretty houses out there, we really need to narrow down your videos to location. Anyone that's coming from a different location, they don't know where you're at. You think they know where you're at, but you guys are smart realtors that think everyone knows what's happening when that's actually not the case. Like most consumers don't know half of the stuff that we know about real estate. And so location is probably your number one most important part that you guys need to make sure that you're putting on a video, that people understand what they're looking at and where they're looking at. So by adding just a simple map here, I went and I Googled this area. I took the map, I screenshotted it, I uploaded it to my video. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to make these simple little arrows just from over here in all of the elements. And then I'm going to just keep going here. So there's no more talking, it's just that same music throughout the whole thing, so if you can't hear it. And then this little extra thing that I added in here, we all know new construction right now is the biggest hit. But it was just a simple little blank screen. I entered this in here about, you know, don't buy without a realtor, because everyone thinks that they want to buy a new construction home without a realtor. I'm just giving them a little pre-warning right in the middle of the video before they get the exciting part.